it's your girl milabtumbles and welcome back to another video. So we are talking about creative coaching. Creative coaching. You guys know I'm a mobile tumbling, gymnastics, cheerleading instructor. So creative coaching to keep these drills and these skills interesting, keeping these kids wanting to learn creative coaching is so important. So some of the things that I use to help make things fun for kids to give a visual is I love using cones. Cones are my favorite thing to use because one is bright, you know, yellow, milabtumbles. But not only that, you can play games with cones. I've put tape on them and labeled them 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 corners. They're really great to practice different line work, such as straight jumps around the cones, bridge walk to cones. Cones are great. I even do toe scale push-ups with cones. I mean, cones are very interchangeable. There's a lot of them. You can really have fun with some cones and help reiterate different skills for kids, and they don't even know that they're working out because it's fun. So I love me some cones. The second thing that I love is my dice. Now this dice is pretty heavy. I do have a smaller one I got at the dollar store, but it's dry erase. As you can see, I've written some stuff on it. And the dice is great. They're great at stations. They're great for games. I love playing the dice game, which is where I write all the skills that the athlete is working on or has, and they get to roll it and then they'll do the skill. They get a kick out of it because they never know. So that's great. I also even have these at stations where I'll put conditioning stuff on them and then I make the kid roll it, and that's what they have to do at the cone. So the dice is great. I mean, I use it for conditioning as well. We'll do hollow holds and have to put the dice around our legs with our hands. I mean, this dice is great. And the fact that it's dry erase, you can use it for a while. So this definitely makes a lot of the stations fun. Another thing that I like to use are hand and feet markers. So yes, I love these hands and feet markers. I have them in a variety of colors. I have a set of red, a set of blue, purple, yellow, orange. I mean, I love it, and I have the kids pick them out. It comes with a right hand and a left hand, same with the right foot and a left foot. So these are great for my younger kids that need that visual representation of where to put their hands, what foot's supposed to go down first. So I love using these, and I mean, it's great. The kids love lining their hands up with it, so these little things are great. So yes, I really do enjoy these dots. These dots come in 3 different colors. They're really great to give kids that visual. I do love using these dots with the hula hoops that I have. I'll put a dot in front of the hula hoop or behind the hula hoop to give the child that visual representation of your left foot lands on the red, your right foot lands in the hula hoop, and it kind of clicks for them a little bit more. So I love my dots. Now another thing that I do enjoy is my hula hoops. Now the thing I like about these hula hoops right here is that you just pull these thingies off. So I have like 3 hula hoops, maybe 4, and they all just go into my bag. So it's very simple, and like I told you before, my colors are pink and purple, so it all coincides and all looks really pretty and all looks really together. So yeah. These are just some of the things that I use for my stations during my lessons to keep them fun, creative, the child engaged, and it's interactive. I love using cones, dots, the hands and feet markers, my dice, and the hula hoops. There are so many more, and there are so many more things that I personally like to use. So stay tuned for those videos, and you guys are to do like, share, comment, do not forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Bye.